Okay, we are now working on 7.5. Here we are. Get rid of that, give you more space if I stop it. If I don't have that, there we go. All right, get my little pad so I don't set it off with my hand. All right, so this is 7.5, operations with time and mixed units. Minutes and seconds, we know that there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. Again, conversion factors can be used. So, convert 2 hours to 20 minutes. I'm not sure what this is asking me to do, but okay, 2 hours. Oh, and 20 minutes. I apologize. Two hours plus 20 minutes. Well, I've changed the 2 hours to 2 times 60 to turn that into minutes. All right, so this is going to be 120 plus 20. So this is 140 minutes. Now, to convert it to hours, 2 hours plus, well, 20 minutes is actually 20/60ths of an hour. Well, that's 2/6, so we have to convert this to decimals. 2/6 is 1/3, so this is 2 1/3 hours, which is 2.333 whatever, however long you want to go, hours. Okay, now we're going to look at add 3 minutes and 45 seconds, so 3 and 45 seconds, to 8 minutes and 30 seconds. So what we're going to do first is add my minutes and seconds. So we have 11, and this isn't my final answer, so this becomes 75. But this has to be converted into, I can't have anything over 60. So if I subtract 60 off of the 75, I get 15. So this 60 then has to add to the 11. So I have 12 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay. Another way to look at 75 seconds, sorry. 75 seconds, which is what I have, is equal to 1, that's the first 60, and 15, 1 minute, 15 seconds, right? So the 15 is here, and I had to add the 1 minute to the 11 to get 12. All right, now you may borrow 60 seconds from the minute column to do this subtraction. So I have 20 minutes and 30 seconds, and I'm going to subtract, oh no, that's coming from, I apologize. Okay, so from 50, so it's 50 minutes and 10 seconds, I subtract 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this 50 minutes 10 seconds into, I'm going to add 60 to the 10. So that's going to become 70. And this becomes 49. So this is 29. And now 30 from 70 I can do. 40. So my answer is 29 minutes and 40 seconds. All right, subtract 23 minutes from 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, so 3 hours and 15 minutes. I can turn this into 3 hours and a 60 to the... Sorry, it's not going to be a 3, is it? I can write this as 2 hours and 75 minutes by moving one of the hours over to the minutes as 60 minutes. All right, now I'm supposed to subtract 23 minutes from that. Okay, so I've got 2 from 7 is 5, 2 hours and 52 minutes. There we go. All right, multiplication and division of units are necessary in the following. Mike is purchasing 8 top sirloin steaks. The meat costs $4 per pound, and each steak weighs 1 pound 4 ounces. What is the total cost of the steaks? So he's purchasing 8, and it's 1 pound 4 ounces. Right? So that's going to give us, well, the cost per pound is what we are given, so we need to have this in pounds. So the first thing I'm going to do is convert that 11 pounds, no, the 1 pound 4 ounces. Well, 1 pound is 32 ounces, I think. Hang on a second. Didn't we do that up here? Pounds. No, that was yesterday. I apologize. Let me get out my conversion sheet. Okay. I need weight. Ounces to pounds. Not that. Here we are. No. That's volume. It's metric. Metric. American weights. Ounces. Okay. Here we are. That's not it. Okay, I'm sure it's 32. Okay, so 1 pound is 32 ounces, plus the 4 ounces is going to give me 36 ounces. So I have 8 times 36 ounces. Where's a pound? 16 ounces. Okay. You know what? A pound is 16 ounces, not 32 ounces. I don't know what I was thinking. So I apologize. Let's deal with that right now so you guys don't get overly confused. Not that you're not confused. So this is going to be 16, which changes that. Okay, so this is 16 ounces. 16 and 4 ounces is 20 ounces. That's better. 20 ounces sounds right. 8 times 20 ounces is 160 ounces. So we have 160 ounces of steak. And I wanted those in pounds. I need it in pounds. Okay, so I have 16 ounces in 1 pound. So this is 10 pounds of steak. Times $4 a pound, I'm going to have $40 in steak. All right. Yay. Okay. I apologize. That one went really, really south. I'm going to redo it for you because it just was way south. All right, we're going to redo all of this. Hopefully, we'll end up with the $40 again. If we didn't, then Mrs. Cronquist, I'm in trouble. So, all right, 1 pound. We're converting this to ounces. So to pounds. So 4 ounces, if 16 ounces in 1 pound, then 4 ounces is a fourth of that. So this is going to be 1.25 pounds times 8 is going to be 8. It's going to be 10, right? 8 pounds, and then 8 times a quarter is 2, so 8 and 2 is 10. 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Right, which is what we had. Times $4 per pound. We end up with 40 pounds, $40 worth of steak. Yay! All right. Scott works in his garden for 1 hour and 5 minutes, 3 days a week. After 4 weeks, how many hours has Scott spent gardening? All right. So, 1 hour plus 5 over 60. That gives me what portion of an hour that is. So, 5 divided 60 is 0.083. So this is 1.083 hours, 3 days a week. So we multiply this times 3 days and times 4 weeks to get how many hours, right? So we have 1.083 times 3 days times 4 weeks, and we get 12.996, so we'll say 13 hours. Okay. Trish is building a fence. She buys a fence post at the lumber yard. Each is 5 feet 4 inches long. The lumber costs $5 per foot. How much will Trish spend? Okay, so she's buying 6 fence posts at that. So we have 6 times, we need it by feet. So 4 inches is going to equal 1/3 of a foot, right? Because a foot is 12. So that's 0.333. So 5.333 times 6. 6 times, okay, that rounds to 32. So I have 32 feet. And that's going to be times $3 per foot. So the feet are going to cross out, and I'm left with how many dollars? 32 times 3 is going to be $96. Okay. Mary is purchasing 12 apples. Each weighs 4 ounces. Okay, we're going to have to get it to pounds, but let's do the 4 ounces first. All right, so that's going to be 48 ounces. Now, it's 16 ounces to the pound. So 48 ounces comes out to be 3 pounds. And so then we multiply that by the $1.50 a pound. Well, that's what, $4.50. Okay, and that's the end of this particular lecture. Have fun!